everyone, it's Coco. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a bit dramatic, a bit over the top, because it's been a while since I've done a makeup look and I thought why not come back with a bang, okay? So I am obsessed with the makeup look on Gwen Stefani in No Doubt's music video, Ex-Girlfriend. If you haven't seen that music video, go and check it out. It's iconic. And I've just always been obsessed with the look and I wanted to try it on myself. So the other day I posted on my Instagram my look. I tried it for the first time. I thought it looked really cute. And then I thought, why don't I do a tutorial and show you guys how to recreate this look? Obviously, this is my take on it. The original isn't as saturated as mine, but I really like color and I really like to take it there. So mine is fully packed with color, but it's a little bit different to the original. I still like it anyway. So I looked online to see if anyone else had done a tutorial on this look, and there was 2 other videos that I found, and they were from quite a while back. So I thought I would do an updated version, my take on it, and just, yeah, show you a look that I've been obsessed with for a really long time. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I do not have super plucked out eyebrows to draw on the little skinny eyebrows that were the thing back then. I don't do anything with my eyebrows, so I'm not gonna touch them. I'm not gonna pluck all my eyebrow hairs out just for this video, so you'll have to excuse me. Okay, so the second thing that we need to do is get that brightness under our eyebrows. So I'm gonna go into the Conspiracy palette and I'm gonna go into Ranch, which is the top color there. It's a white color that has a lot of shimmer in it, so I'm gonna pack that underneath my eyebrow. Okay, so we're gonna get straight into the exciting part and working with the pink. Now, for this look, I used majority of the look from the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. This is a really great palette because it has so many different color schemes here, so you can do different looks. But we're gonna use Self-Made, My, and Calabasas. Those are the main colors for this look. First thing I'm gonna do is go into My, which is this really pale pink. It almost doesn't look pink, but it is. And the reason why we're gonna start off with that is gonna go from lighter color towards the darker color. And what that does is creates more like a graffiti airbrush kind of style. I'm trying to remember how I did this because when I posted that photo, that was the first time I actually tried doing it. So I'm trying to remember how I did it and what steps was next. Okay, so with the same fluffy brush, we're now gonna go into Self-Made. So this is a really neon pink, it's pretty full on. So we're gonna go into that and then we're gonna do depth with the Calabasas color. Now, her look doesn't specifically have this, but it's just something that I like to do. Like I said, this is my take on this look, but I like to also bring the pink down my nose, kind of like a contour, but I just feel like it creates more of a dramatic look like that. So we're gonna take Calabasas now, and we're gonna use that to deepen up the color and just create more depth. In the pan, it looks like a chocolatey brown color, but when it's on with the pink, it's perfect. It's this dark purple, pink, maroon-ish kind of color. So we're gonna use that now and have a little bit of fun. This is actually my favorite part of this whole look. Okay, so we're all nice and blended. Now we're gonna take it out. So you get this really harsh line and it's kind of saturated at the bottom and then it flares up and fades away. So what we're going to do is we're going to need to use either tape or a card to really make that harsh line there. So if you don't have your face done first, you can put down tape so you can really get in there. I've got my face done already, so I'm going to take one of my business cards. By the way, how cute are my business cards? I'm going to use this over here and just really go in. Okay, so looking good, looking good. Same thing as before, we're gonna take my, so the light pink color, and we're just gonna slowly blend on top of that so we get that really blurry look. So I'm just gonna take my concealer. I'm using Flower Beauty concealer. I really love this. Put that on the back of my hand and begin to cut out my crease. Okay, so we've got our crease cut out, and we're gonna go into designer label from the Jeffree Star Morphe palette, and we're going to use that on top of it. Okay, so to really blend in the edges, we're gonna go back in with Self Made, which is the Fluoro Pink, and Calabasas as well, which is the darker color. Okay, so as you can see, that is beautifully blended, if I do say so myself. And we're now gonna go onto the bottom. So we do have more work to do on the eye before we get to that iconic pink contour. So if you look in the picture, you can see there's a bit of pink that comes out. So we're gonna do that right now. Actually, before we do that, we need to clean up underneath here. So we're gonna grab some concealer and just clear that up. Okay, so now we're gonna go into Self Made again. Literally just, we probably only use like 5 colors for this whole look, 5, 6 colors. So we're gonna grab the pink, tap it off, and we're going to put it underneath and then slowly wing it out. Okay, so the bottom line is all blended out. We're now going to take a white color to fill in this space here that hasn't got anything on it, and it's gonna add that blurred out effect, that filter that they used on the video clip effect. I don't even know how to explain myself. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna go in. All right. Eyeliner. Mascara. Okay, fun time now. We're gonna get into that blush contour. Okay, you're gonna grab your blush brush, and we're gonna do the same kind of formula we did with our eyes. So starting off with the light color pink, then moving on to the neon pink, and then moving on to the deeper, darker pink, just till we get that same kind of graffiti airbrush effect. Highlights. We're gonna go with the pink highlight to really blend in with the blush. Okay, time for lips. So we're going to take this MAC lipstick. It's from the Aaliyah collection. Obviously, if you don't know about the Aaliyah collection, you missed out hardcore. It's such a good collection. And this is like a really like deep pink red plum color. We're going to use that and then set it with some eyeshadow. Okay, last step. We've got to do the infamous crying gems down here. Now I don't have black gems, but I have black eyeliner, so we're going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to draw that on. But if you do have black gems, go ahead and use that. Okay, and this is the final look done. I am obsessed with it. Let me know what you think. Let's have a good look at it. I hope you enjoyed this updated version of this look, and tell me what you thought about my kind of take on the look. Let me know down below in the comments section. Also, if you have tried this already, let me know. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell button as well, because I have some exciting videos coming out real soon. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Also, go over and check out my Instagram, give me a follow. That's where you'll see all the behind the scenes stuff, keep in the loop of what I'm doing, what's coming up, and we can also chat there as well. I really enjoyed doing this look today. It is so iconic, and I hope you enjoyed this video too. But ultimately, I hope you have a good day, good night, good weekends, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.